saan ba ako magsisimula? Anyway, I would like to thank Nena because I win in I win in ruleta ng Facebook na banner namin ng Team Nena. Actually, I win 250 pesos. So, Jerjer told me to buy some grocery. The worth of 250 pesos and make video. Anyway, sabi ko, I will buy some lechon manok or I eat some Jollibee. Then he told me, Giata, I know she told me nyawa. So I buy some luncheon meat because I feel not eating this so many months. And of course, I buy some ano ba tawag dito? I buy some ground beef. This is worth 100 pesos ground beef and this is worth 130. So it's meaning 230. Both of this is press option is not in the market in the palengke. And then I win 250. So I win in hula 30 pesos. So I have money of 280. So this is 230. So because I have ulam, so I need some dessert. Then I buy some Nissin wafer for myself because when I finish eating, I have pampalasa, di ba? Oite, fresh option to mahal to. Thank you Nena ha. Kasi kahit di ako naka-present ay binigay mo man sa akin ito. So what are you waiting for? Join Nena Hinojosa in YouTube because we play bingo and we have bingo, we have hula hoops, and we have Team Sawi. If you don't win the bingo, you get in the roulette in the Team Sawi. And thank you Nena because I buy this. I have ulam and I have merienda. And Jerjer, thank you for sending my winnings. And I hope more of winnings because it's Christmas. Thank you, Nena. I love you. You're my one and only true friend. Nag-iisa ka lang sa puso ko.